Hello, my name is Julian Diaz, Head of Marketing at Honeybee, and I'll be taking you through a quick overview of the latest innovation from our Honeybee development labs, Visit Customisations. Visit Customisations now allow you to customize your visit screens with questions you would like to have answered about specific types of customers or customer visits. To get a better understanding of what this means, let's have a look at visit screens up until now. Let's start a visit and select a customer. Here we have a view of a visit screen as seen by a rep. Up until now, reps would type in information about their visit in the comment field. This has been a very flexible way of capturing information the rep has felt was relevant to the visit. However, there are two problems with this. Actually, three. Number one, as a manager, you have no way of specifying what information to capture during a customer visit. You are reliant on the rep to remember to capture information. You are reliant on the rep capturing it correctly. And then two, you then have to scroll through a spreadsheet of exported comments to get an overview of all the information that's been gathered in the field. And three, for the rep, it's a bit more time-consuming and tedious, especially if they're always entering the same or similar information across visits. Customizable Visits changes this by now allowing you to take forms you've created with specific questions and then specify which form or set of questions get asked at which customer visit. Let's take a look. Here we see a list of existing forms. If you notice to the right of the form title, there is now a little tick or check mark indicating that the form has now been linked to a visit. Let's select the visit form and see how to customize and configure it to associate a set of questions with a visit. To add a question to your default visit form, first select the type of answer or format. Here we see options we can select. We select the type of question, which we can move up and down the form to specify in which order to ask your questions. You can type the question, and then you can add the answers on the right that you would like the rep to choose from. This is of course optional. You can always leave it as free text if you're happy to have the reps type in their own answers. Now just save these changes to update your default visit questions. By the way, you can create multiple sets of questions specific to different types of customers or regions or reps, etc. You decide and specify when to display by selecting the different criteria listed under the configuration area of the form. Each specific set of questions will display based on the rep or region or the type of visit or type of customer the rep visits, or even type of rep. For example, a sales rep versus a field technician visiting the same customer. It's up to you. So now, you as a manager are pretty much guaranteed to get answers to these specific questions about this specific type of customer or by type of visit. So in summary, this is a big step towards learning more about your customers and improving your sales and service to them. Continue listening if you'd like a better understanding of what this means to you, your business, and your reps. Before Visit Customisations, the information captured in the comment fields was unstructured and you relied on the rep writing concise answers, not too short and vague and not too wordy. You then also had to extract all the information and try and make sense of it all, categorize them all somehow to try and identify trends or problems. Now with Visit Customisations, answers captured by your reps are uniform or structured, which means you have a much easier time of gaining insights into your customer base, identifying trends or problems, because instead of reps typing text in the comment field as before, they simply select answers from a list of predefined answers you've created as options. You can now much more easily extract and interpret the information that's been captured across all your customers. So now you can ask and find out things such as, are my reps making the right types of visits? What is the sales potential at a particular customer? Are there categories of products that are being undersold? From a rep perspective, they also save time on the customer visit by not having to type up the information, but rather just select from the predefined questions. Of course, you can still leave a comment field for additional information that the rep finds relevant, but the bulk of the information that you want captured or questions that you want answered can now be collected quickly and easily by your reps, and can easily be either exported to Excel or displayed as live data in a dashboard if you have our Insights module. How great is that? For reps, we've just reduced the admin and hassle factor of collecting information in the field, and for managers, we've reduced the time and effort required to extract and interpret that information. and made it so much easier to gain insights from and understand your customer base. Remember, if you subscribe to our Insights module, you can also display information live in a dashboard, so you'll always have the latest view of the state of health of your customer base at any time. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or would like a more detailed tutorial on using Visit Customisations, please speak to your account manager. Happy selling!